On behalf of the resident African ambassador accredited to Ireland, may I acknowledge the President of Ireland, His Excellency Michael D. Higgins, the Taoiseach, His Excellency Micheál Martin, the Dean of the Diplomatic Corps in Ireland, His Excellency Archbishop Jude Theodis Okolo, and heads of nations, the African diaspora, and distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. 58 years ago, on the 25 May 1963, Africa made history with the foundation of the Organization of African Unity, the precursor to the African Union, established to free our continent from the shackles of colonialism. On this day, every year, we celebrate and acknowledge the successes of the Union, while also reflecting upon the common challenges that the continent of Africa faces. This year, 2021, we celebrate this important milestone under the theme, Arts, Culture, and Heritage Levers for Building the Africa We Want. We are pleased to celebrate this important day with the government and people of Ireland. There is a great appreciation for the commitment of Ireland to Africa, as also encapsulated in the policy document, Ireland Strategy for Africa to 2025. The expansion of Ireland's diplomatic footprint in Africa is also greatly appreciated. As we celebrate Africa's achievement and aspirations, we acknowledge our African diaspora in Ireland and applaud their resilience, especially in these difficult times of COVID-19. It's our sincere hope that we would be able to once again commemorate this important day with them in person in the very near future. In the meantime, we encourage you, our brothers and sisters, to please keep safe and strong. Despite the immense impact of the COVID-19 pandemic, Africa can truly celebrate the achievement accomplished during the last year, including the few mentioned below. In 2020, the African Union was finally able to launch the African Continental Free Trade Area. The Africa Island Economic Forum became an important event on the calendar of interaction between our African countries and Ireland. In the latter half of 2020, the African Vaccine Acquisition Task Team was established to secure enough COVID-19 vaccines to achieve continental herd immunity by 2022. The African Union also established the African Medical Supplies Platform and the Continental COVID-19 Response Fund to ensure that all African countries are enabled to respond immediately to the pandemic. Africa continues to deal with the residual conflicts on the continent. We remain optimistic that with the tireless efforts of the African Union and the individuals, member states, supported by the international friends and partners, this will be a thing of the past in the foreseeable future, in the context of silencing the guns. We appreciate Ireland's continuing contribution to our peace building efforts. Africa is very proud of the appointment of Dr. Ngozi Okonjo-Iweala as the first woman and the first African Director General of the World Trade Organization on 15 February 2021. Africa appreciates Ireland's decision to join the African Development Bank and acknowledge its membership, which commenced in April 2020. We are proud that the African Union has championed a 10-year continental declaration aimed at gender equality and women's empowerment that was introduced in February 2020. In spite of the challenges the continent still faces in some areas, Africa remains resilient and focused on attaining further growth, development, and peace. We are proud of Africa's progress and achievements, and we are looking forward to a better and prosperous future for our continent, acknowledging that this will come about as we continue to strive for more integrated Africa. God bless Africa and her people. Thank you very much.